Connectivity problems are not serious. In fact, it's possible that the issue isn't with your phone but with your router or the network. As an owner, you should try troubleshooting your iPhone because you may only need to do a couple of easy procedures to make it work perfectly again. So in this video, we will show you what you should do if your iPhone 12 mini has a slow internet connection. First solution, restart your router and your iPhone. When it comes to fixing slow browsing issues, the first thing you have to do is to refresh the memory of your phone and your network device. A simple reboot for both may fix the problem immediately, and save you from the trouble of doing other troubleshooting procedures. So here's how you do it. Unplug the router from the outlet, or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave the device without power for a minute or two. While waiting, quickly press and release the volume up rocker and then the volume down. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will force your iPhone to shut down and power back up. When the logo shows, release the power key and let the phone continue the boot process. Now plug the router back to the outlet, or reconnect the power cord. Wait for your router to start broadcasting the signal and let your iPhone reconnect to it. After doing that, perform a speed test to know if the problem is fixed. Second solution, reconnect to the network. After refreshing the memories of your devices and you still have a very slow connection, then you should try to re-establish the connection between your router and your iPhone. It means you need to delete the current connection and reconnect to the network. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon next to your network. Tap Forget. Third solution, reset the network settings on your iPhone. If the solutions above did not fix the problem, it is time to revert the network settings on your iPhone 12 to their default values and options. Performing a reset network settings will clear those manually entered network configurations like Wi-Fi and APNs. No personal data and information should be affected by this process. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. However, if the problem still happens on your device after the procedure, then proceed to the next solution. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. Should the problem continue to bug you even after the first three solutions, then it's time to contact your service provider. If it's either an account or network issue, the representative will be able to help you. But if not, then you will have to reset your device. A reset will fix any software-related problem, but make sure to back up your important files and data before doing so. When ready, follow these steps to reset your Note 20. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. We hope that this troubleshooting has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.